This airplane once carried hundreds of passengers across the world and cost more than $100 million to build. But what happens when it becomes too old to fly? Most people imagine retired airplanes are simply abandoned in the desert and left to rust forever. But the truth is far more fascinating. Every year, hundreds of commercial aircraft reach the end of their flying careers. Instead of being forgotten, many are sent to massive aircraft graveyards where a remarkable transformation begins. One of the largest aircraft storage facilities in the world is located in the dry deserts of the American Southwest. The hot, low-humidity climate helps preserve aircraft for years, making it the perfect location for storing retired planes. When an aircraft arrives, it first undergoes a detailed inspection. Engineers carefully evaluate every part of the airplane to determine what can be reused, refurbished, or recycled. Surprisingly, many components are still extremely valuable. Modern aircraft contain millions of dollars worth of engines, electronics, landing gear systems, navigation equipment, and specialized parts. Before dismantling begins, technicians safely remove fuel, hydraulic fluids, and other hazardous materials. This step is essential for protecting both workers and the environment. Next, teams of highly trained specialists begin removing reusable components. Jet engines are often the most valuable parts. In some cases, a single engine can be worth millions of dollars, even after years of service. Seats, cockpit instruments, avionics systems, emergency equipment, and even windows may be refurbished and installed on other aircraft still in operation. Once all reusable parts have been removed, the massive dismantling process begins. Using heavy machinery, industrial saws, and specialized cutting tools, workers carefully cut the enormous aircraft into sections. Wings, tail assemblies, and large sections of the fuselage are separated piece by piece. Watching a giant passenger airplane being dismantled is an incredible sight. Aircraft that once crossed oceans at nearly 900 kilometers per hour are gradually transformed into piles of recyclable materials. The majority of an airplane structure is made from aluminum, one of the world's most recyclable metals. Aluminum can be melted down and reused repeatedly without losing its quality. Steel, titanium, copper, and other valuable metals are also recovered during the recycling process. In fact, modern aircraft recycling facilities can recover up to 90% of an aircraft's total weight. The recovered materials are then sent to advanced processing plants where they are refined and transformed into raw materials for new products. Some recycled aluminum may eventually become parts for new airplanes, automobiles, construction materials, or consumer products. What's truly remarkable is that even after decades in the sky, these aircraft continue to provide value long after their final flight. So when $1 million airplane takes off for the very last time, its journey isn't really over. In many ways, it's simply preparing for an entirely new life.